Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy a YouTube Shorts link. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the YouTube Shorts app on your mobile device, then head over to the Shorts and find the short video that you'd like to copy the link of. So let's just say this one. On the right hand side, you'll see you've got lots of options like liking the video, disliking, leaving a comment. But the one we want to tap on is the button that says share. So tap on that one. And here it opens up a new menu and you'll see there's lots of different ways to share this video. So nearby share, Facebook groups, WhatsApp. The one we want to tap on is one at the bottom that says copy link. So if you tap on that one, you'll see that it says copied. Now that the link for this video has now been copied, and you can then go and send this to anywhere you like or put it in your web browser, or however you want to share this link with the person you want to share it with. And that's what it takes to copy a YouTube Shorts link. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.